Study Math Excellence Round 6. Question 1. 5 men take 28 days to build a boat. Assuming the men work at the same rate, calculate the number of men needed to build a boat in 20 days. So we know that the ratio is 5 to 28, and most people, I feel, will simplify the ratio, but this is wrong. Instead, because obviously this doesn't make sense, or else one person can build a boat in 5.6 days. So we take 28 times 5, and we get how long it would take one man to build a boat. And we take 140 divided by 20, because 20 days, and we will get 7. So the first answer is answer to question 1 is 7. Alright, question 2. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 to 250,000. A. If the actual distance between two towns is 7 km, find the distance in cm between the two towns on the map. So first, 1 km equals to 100,000 cm. So let's times 7 that. So 7 km equals to 700,000 cm. 700,000 divided by 250,000 equals to 2.8 cm. So the first answer is 2.8 cm. B is a little bit confusing. So 250,000 squared equals to this very long number. We will say as x first. So x times 4.5, because 4.5 equals to 4.5x. So then this is 28125000000, and because we have to change it into km and it is squared, we need to make more of the number into decimal. So let's say this turns it into meter. These two, instead of 2 zeros, is 4 because it's squared. It's squared, yeah. And 3 and 3, so the answer is 28.125 km squared. These are the answers. Okay, question 3. In the diagram, AB is parallel to DC, and AC and DB meets at E. AB equals 14 cm, DC equals 21 cm, DE equals CE equals 14 cm, angle DAC equals 67 degrees, and angle DEC equals 93 degrees. Given that triangle AED and triangle BEC are congruent and triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE, find A, angle BCE, B, angle BAE, and C, BD. So A, first, let's see what we have. So we know that the center is 360 and alternate angle, so that's 93. So 360 minus 293 divided by 2 is 87. So each of these angles are 87. Secondly, we know that these are isosceles triangle, so these two angles must be the same. So 180 minus 43 divided by 2, you get these two angles, 43.5. And we know that triangle AED and triangle BC are congruent, which means something like similar. So we can draw this, and this will be also 43.5. This angle will be 67, as shown that also triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE, and with this angle is just 180 minus 67 minus 87, which is 26. So the first answer is 26 degrees. Second answer we have already found out because we drew it. Third, BD is also a little bit confusing, but it's fine. So we know that 21 cm to 14 cm, as shown here, 21 to 14, and they are similar. So this and this must also have the same ratio. So 14 cm to is 20. So from the top is 21 divided by 21 times 14. We get this. So 14 divided by 21 times 14 is 9.3 recurring decimal. So we take 14 plus 9.3, we get 23.3 recurring decimal. So that's our answer. Moving on, question 4. A bag contains 30 balls, of which X balls are red, 8 balls are blue, and the rest are white. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability of picking A, a blue ball, B, a black ball, and C. If the probability of picking a white ball is 0.2, find the value of X. So A, we can just count 8 balls are blue. B is 0 because there are no black balls. And C, we know that 0.2 is 20%, so 20% equals 30 divided by 100 times 20, which is 6. So there are 6 white balls, and 6 plus 8 equals 14. White balls plus blue balls are. So there are 30 total balls. 30 minus 40 equals 16. So the value of x, or the red balls, are 16. And that's our answer. Alright, thank you.